Hello，大家好，我哋今日嚟到列治文河濱區嘅 Kachina 區。咁呢個咧係一個鎖匙圈嘅一個非常之靚嘅一個獨立屋嘅別墅區啦。咁呢間屋咧，我身後嘅係7600尺嘅一個大地，再加上間屋咧係有3500尺，5個套間房，跟住仲有成6個團廁，仲有 media room。入邊咧係應有盡有，仲有一個亮點咧，就係我哋個屋後邊成個後邊咧都係向住 Morris Park， 一個係無敵嘅景觀，你幾十年都唔會有遮擋嘅一個超級靚嘅景觀，我哋一齊睇睇。係，我哋呢個係 custom build 個屋企咧，佢入邊整體嘅挑高係有去到20尺嘅 ，which is 而家新嘅屋嘅一個比例咧，就只可以去到16噶啦。咁我哋仲有一個好靚嘅會客廳啦，跟住仲有我哋個主體嘅一個會客嘅餐廳啦，所以佢個分佈咧係非常之合理嘅。我哋而家咧就入到嚟屋企入邊好溫暖嘅 family room 啦。咁呢個係 custom build 嘅，仲要係咧整個後院嘅面闊咧係69.5接近70尺嘅面闊。咁我哋呢個 open concept 嘅屋企咧，加埋晒 family room 啦、open kitchen 啦，係好靚嘅一個 design。
Our beautiful chef's kitchen features premium appliances from Gen Air. You'll find plenty of counter space, beautiful finishes, and a luxury wok kitchen.
係，我哋呢個 master bedroom 咧，差唔多係佔咗呢間屋嘅400-500平方尺嘅。咁入邊咧，仲要好得意，係有一個好大嘅一個儲物嘅一個衣櫃咧，係唔包喺面積入邊，係等於係送嘅，嗰個係接近成200尺嘅。
This view of the tranquil Morris Park is what you'll be waking up to every morning. We have luxury features of a sauna, a steam shower, and even a jacuzzi.
哇！好難得今日天清氣朗，卒之唔落雨啦，溫哥華。而且咧，係咯，我哋呢個好難得，仲要係可以咁靚嘅一個後門，即刻自己就可以出去散步啦。